And this recipe is so simple to do, you can make it in 15 minutes. And I'll show you how to do it in this video. We will be using loads of garlic for this recipe, and I will mince some onions so you can make this recipe very quickly. Simple, it's flavorful, it's very filling, and it's a classic. Yeah. So if you love Italian food, this is one of the pastas you probably love. So I'm just mincing my onions, and I'm waiting for my water to boil to cook my pasta. So let us start off with the sauce for our pasta. Heat up our pan. We will use olive oil for this recipe. Good quality olive oil. Lalagay ko na yung aking garlic. So that the flavor of the garlic is infused into the oil, but it does not burn. We will cook that gently in our oil. And I will also be using anchovies. Eto. Anchovy fillets that will give our pasta a very nice umami. So these are things you can keep at home. You don't have to worry for freshness because it's canned, it's bottled, and anytime you want to have pasta, you can make this recipe. And I'm adding my onions, and I will add here my anchovies. Ito, half of the can. Yan, ang ating anchovies, which I will smash into the oil. And for a bit of kick, I'm adding chili flakes. Gusto nyo ba ng chili flakes? Ano? Ang bango! Very nice, very nice. Napaka-simple, but very flavorful. And adding some capers with the brine. And now I will add a mix of green and black olives. Yan. And now, I will add my tomatoes. Whenever I make pasta sauces, I always use canned tomatoes. Ito siya. This is diced stewed tomatoes. Yan. Or you can use the whole stewed tomatoes. Then just smash it up. Saute, saute. And usually, you use white wine. But today, I don't have white wine. I will be using chicken stock for some flavor. For all the flavors to come together, let that simmer for a little while. And ating water is already boiling. And it's time for us to cook our pasta. When you're cooking Italian dishes, it's very important to use good quality pasta. And very important when you're cooking your pasta is to salt your water properly. So we are using pasta, authentic Italian, which is used in Italy para yung ating flavors very authentic. And I will show you, this is good quality pasta. And I will just cook half of this. Pang ilang tao? Well, this is good for 3 to 4 people. And this is quality, you see, oh. You can't break the pasta. And I will add my pasta here. So the package says that it cooks al dente for 10 minutes. So what I will do, I will cook it for 6 minutes in my salted boiling water. Then I will cook it to finish in my sauce for another 4 minutes. Yeah, so that ang ating noodles, our pasta, will taste really delicious, no? This is a very naughty pasta dahil ang name niya, puttanesca, it comes from the brothels of Italy. Daw, sabi nila, no? And the sauce is coming together very nicely. Seasoned with salt and a little bit of cracked black pepper. Yeah. Today, I'm using curly parsley, but the best thing to use is the flat leaf parsley, the Italian parsley. And I will just leave some for my garnish. I will taste my sauce to be sure. Let me taste. Mamma mia! Di Mamma mia ba? And this brand has been around for over 100 years. Would you believe that? And it's very important, especially if you're doing dishes like this. Pag hinahalo-halo mo yung pasta mo, it doesn't break into pieces. You want the long strands. You want the right texture. Just cover that up. Let that cook for a few more minutes. So we're celebrating almost 150 years of tradition. Italian tradition, but today we are making it here in our studio. So if you can travel to Italy, you make it as closely as they would as Italians. O, sino bang nasa Italy dyan? Comment ha, pag may mali sa ginagawa ko ha. Guys, are you ready? Add our pasta. And we will mix our sauce with our pasta. And very important, in Italian cooking, the pasta water is gold because the starch here will help you emulsify the sauce. No? Mas kakapit yung ating sauce to our noodles when we add our pasta water because of the starch. And we will cook slowly for another 4 to 5 minutes. Then all the sauce will be absorbed by our pasta. Woo! Woo! You know, it's very important. If you have noticed earlier, yung ginawa ko, I let the sauce simmer a little while so that the sharpness of the tomato will mellow down. So, hindi na siya ganun ka-asim. It becomes mellow, it becomes sweet, and everything comes together. And this will be done in a few minutes, a minute or two. It's going to be perfect. And look at that, no? The sauce has been absorbed by the pasta, and it's going to be so delicious. And if you still haven't subscribed to the Simple.ph YouTube channel, you know what to do. So this one does not even require cheese. You don't have to have cheese when you're making this, but if you want, of course, you can do so. Yeah. And I will finish with a little bit more olive oil. That will become so perfect. This is one of my favorite pastas. Ang sarap niya. You can make this recipe in 15 minutes. It's so delicious. It's so sensual. And it's so intriguing. Pasta puttanesca, simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.